In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Windows 11 Quick Access. If you want File Explorer to open to a cleaner view instead of showing recent files and frequently used folders, this process is simple and only takes a moment. Disabling Quick Access can be useful if you prefer a more private setup, or if you just want File Explorer to look more organized every time you open it. To get started, open File Explorer on your Windows 11 computer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on the taskbar, or by opening it from the Start menu. Once File Explorer is open, look toward the top of the window. You'll see a row of menu options, including the three dots icon. Click that three dots menu to open more settings, then select Options. This will open the Folder Options window, which is where you can control how File Explorer behaves. When the Folder Options window appears, make sure you are on the General tab. In most cases, this tab opens by default, but it's always good to confirm before making changes. Near the top of this section, you'll find a setting labeled Open File Explorer 2. This controls what location appears first whenever you launch File Explorer. Click the drop-down menu next to Open File Explorer 2 and change it from Quick Access to this PC. This is the main setting that stops File Explorer from opening directly into the Quick Access view. Instead, it will take you to a broader overview of your drives, folders, and connected devices, which many people find easier to work with. After that, stay in the same General tab and look for the privacy-related options underneath. You'll see checkboxes for Show Recently Used Files and Show Frequently Used Folders. Uncheck both of these options. This helps prevent Windows from displaying your recent activity and commonly opened folders inside File Explorer, making the interface less cluttered and more private. Once you've changed those settings, click Apply to save everything. Then click OK to close the Folder Options window. At that point, Quick Access will no longer behave the same way it did before, and File Explorer will open to this PC instead of showing recent and frequent items. If you want, you can close File Explorer and reopen it to confirm the changes right away. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Quick Access in Windows 11 using the updated method.